This 2018 Winnebago Winnie Drop 1780 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 20 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 4, TV, air conditioning, slide-out, awning, refrigerator, stovetop burner, microwave, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front dinette, mid-kitchen, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Winnebago Winnie Drop 1780 is 2,700 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.